विचार ही आपकी पहचान है, आपके विचार ही आपकी पहचान है। चेहरे पर आपके सदा मुस्कान है, चेहरे पर आपके सदा मुस्कान है। आपकी मौजूदगी ही कार्यक्रम की जान है, आपकी मौजूदगी ही कार्यक्रम की जान है। हमारी खुशकिस्मत कि आप हमारे मेहमान हैं, हमारी खुशकिस्मत कि आप हमारे मेहमान हैं। It is our great pleasure to introduce our esteemed chief guest, Dr. Anurag Geetaram Pangrikar, who has graciously accepted our invitation to join us on this special occasion. Dr. Anurag Geetaram Pangrikar is a distinguished pediatrician who had made significant contributions to the field of pediatrics. He is currently working at Sri Samartha Bal Rugnalay in Bid. He was awarded a gold medal for his outstanding performance in MD Pediatrics, demonstrating his exceptional knowledge and skills in the field. Dr. Pangrikar sir achieved a remarkable 4th rank in the university, showcasing his academic excellence. He has served as the President of the Indian Medical Association Bid and has been recognized for his outstanding leadership during his tenure. He received his prestigious National Best President and National Best Branch Prize, demonstrating his exceptional leadership and commitment to the organization. So, I, Ms. Pushpalata, welcome to Honorable Chief Guest Dr. Anurag Pangrikar sir, and today among with us, really, it is our great pleasure to welcome Mrs. Anuradha Chinsolkar as our guest of honor today. Mrs. Chinsolkar is a founder and director of Sri Sai Nrityalaya, a prestigious institution dedicated to promoting and preserving the traditional Indian dance form of Bharatnatyam. She holds a Bachelor of Science degree, a past graduation diploma in medical laboratory technology and a Master of Arts degree in Bharatnatyam. Mrs. Chinsolkar has been teaching Bharatnatyam for over 2 decades, guiding thousands of students and helping them achieve their goals in the field of dance. We are deeply honored to have Mrs. Anuradha Chinsolkar as our guest of honor today. As her presence brings immense value and inspiration to our gathering, her exceptional achievements, dedication and passion for Bharatnatyam and education make her an ideal role model for our students and community. Please join us in extending a warm welcome to our honorable chief guest, Dr. Anurag Pangrikar sir, and today's guest of honor, Mrs. Anuradha Chinsolkar ma'am. So, I would like to request our respected principal, Mr. Ganesh Kakade sir, to felicitate our today's chief guest, Honorable Dr. Anurag Pangrikar sir. I request to all the dignitaries, please. Now, moving ahead, game and activities are very important part of education at Podar Prep. We deeply value the partnership between school and family, recognizing that every family member plays a crucial role in a child's formative years. Our commitments extends beyond academics to the academic development of each child. The moment we have all been waiting for has arrived, the distribution of certificates to the participants of the treasure hunt project as a token of appreciation for their hard work. So, I would like to request our respected chief guest, Dr. Anurag Pangrikar sir, to give a certificate to the students and the participants. I would like to call upon the stage Raj Garad and his family to receive the certificate of participation. The next student, Dhanraj Biradar and his family. I would like to call upon the stage Biradar family and Dhanraj. Next, I would like to call upon the stage Srisha Pawar and her family. I would like to request our today's guest of honor, Mrs. Anuradha Chinsolkar ma'am, to give the certificate to our children. Trisha Gunskar and her family, please come upon the stage. Kavya Barguzar and family, Riyansh Sanap and family, Master Riyansh Sanap, Ira Deshpande and her family, please come upon the stage and receive your certificate. Khushi Deshmane and family, I would like to request our admin officer, respected Mr. Chetan Gunskar sir, please. As Trisha Gunskar's father, Khushi Deshmane and her family, I would like to call upon the stage Khushi Deshmane and her family. Congratulations to all the parents and all the students for your active participation. Once again, heartiest congratulations to all the parents and students. Bahir and Vasundhara Bahir. So, please, non-teaching staff Thank you, ma'am. I request all the dignitaries, please have their seats. Now, here is a thought-provoking message by our Honorable Director Dr. Swati Popatwats, ma'am.
And hello everybody. Congratulations on choosing early childhood care and education. It is very important to understand that early childhood education lays the foundation of a child's lifelong learning. So when you choose to do a course or a qualification in early childhood education, you are actually contributing to this country's future, because the future of this country lies in its children. A trained teacher brings quality in the classroom. A trained teacher brings quality in care. And a trained teacher helps children and parents understand about life and learning. So congratulations to each and every one of you, because what you have done in this course is something that's going to impact not only classrooms where you teach, but homes where you are, because this learning will help you understand children, whether in a personal setting or a professional setting. I wish you all the very, very best, and please motivate others to do this course. We need more quality trained personnel in early childhood care and education. Share your knowledge, share your ideas, be active in this field. Don't think that after this course I don't need to do anything further. Become a member of the Early Childhood Association of India, so that you are always up to date with the latest research, the latest learnings, because it's very important to always keep yourself abreast with the latest research, especially in brain development. Today, I can call you not only a teacher, but a brain builder. So congratulations to each and every one of you who's today a brain builder.
Moving ahead, I would like to call upon the stage our respected headmistress, Ms. Renuka Rajhans ma'am, to address the event.
Today's chief guest, Mr. Anurag Pangriskar sir, guest of honor, Mrs. Anuradha Chinsolkar ma'am, our honorable principal, Mr. Ganesh Kakade sir, our multi-talented vice principal ma'am, Mrs. Varsha Nagde, my dear parents and all my dear children. Very warm good evening and warm welcome for today's annual concert. We are absolutely delighted to have you join us for this special occasion as we embark on a journey of love, learning and growth. Today's annual concert is more than just a celebration of young stars, but a window into the enchantment that unfolds within the walls of Podar Prem. Our theme of this annual concert is Kahani aur Katha ka Utsav Jumbo ke Sang. Kala, art and storytelling, kahani, are like two sides of the same coin. Both are creative and immerse us into a world of colors, emotions and stories. India has a rich heritage of storytelling through art forms like Dastan Goi, Chamba Rumal, Patta Chitra, Togalu Gombeata, Chitrakathi and many more. But if you look at storybooks or videos meant for children, they are mostly in digital art styles. The traditional art forms are lost. Children are exposed to stories through videos, books, reels, and so much more, but sadly they do not get the kahani and kala combination that is required to nurture and inspire a love for creativity and pattern recognition. All these forms have specific patterns in them, and in their eyes see patterns. Then their hands will be able to create patterns in drawing, writing, and so much more. And that is why we are celebrating Kahani Aur Kala Ka Utsav Jumbo Ke Sang as our annual concert. Not only that, we link each story art form with values that children learn before this annual concert. But more where children were immersed a week-long project that helped them see these art forms in a contemporary manner, something that they can relate to. Imagine seeing nursery rhymes in traditional art story formats. Here are a few of them that we created. So the new version of the Humpty Dumpty who did not fall in Nirmal art form. The new Piggy on the railway picking up the stones is in Bheelan art form. The new Twinkle Twinkle Little Star is in Madhubani art form. And Jack and Jill, Jack and Jasmine in Chamba Rumal art form. The new Happy and You Know It, the one about feelings, is in Kawad art form. The new version of Ringa Ringa Roses, Bush in the Kavi art version. We will be illustrating a rhyme book soon in these art forms. This is truly Kahani Aur Kala Ka Utsav. Join us as your children and Jumbo take your journey to celebrate the storytelling traditions of India. From scroll paintings and tribal puppetry to miniature paintings, harmonizing with music and dance from across our country. Dear parents, as I am here to present the annual report of Podar Prep, this is our second year as Podar Prep. Through the journey this year, we crossed various milestones of success and developments of our children. Behind us, we have a very expert team working every day and night to improvise our curriculum, which is going through various researches and imbibe the best for our children in our curriculum. Podar Prep curriculum focuses not only on literacy and numeracy, but we are having symphonics, number magic, coding, and outdoor games also included. This year, we have introduced action mats for Podar Prep students, which are very helpful to develop gross motor skills. Besides this, our children having full body workout on action mats. Specifically designed and planned activities for children that are simple yet effective in providing a full body conditioning. These action mats are perfect for boosting their coordination and motor skills while playing. A very unique feature of our curriculum is coding. Parents often think that coding is as computing skills, but coding in our curriculum is all the activities are related to sorting, sequencing, debugging, algorithm, logical reasoning, and many more. And all these activities done through various interesting games at Podar Prep. These coding skills will help children in all subjects when they will grow up and go in the higher classes. So we have 2 days coding Olympiad for outsider children also. Please contact us for free of registration. We are committed to provide safe and secure environment to our children in our school, and continuously we are working on it. As well as care for health and hygiene of the students is at utmost priority for us. We have arranged dental checkup and eye checkup for our students. Throughout the year, we have celebrated so many festivals with the spirit of unity and integrity. We have conducted so many events like Winter Wonderland, Diwali Mela, Playdate with Parents, Master Chef, Gandhi Jayanti, and many more. Parents usually ask that why parents are invited so many times, but we believe in 50% partnership with parents to give hand of support to our children. When you are sitting in the class and doing the activities, see the smile on your child's face. That give the belief that yes, I am not lonely in my learning journey, but my parents are with us. So you are requested so many times to attend the events. Now I'd like to talk about our respected principal sir. Under guidance of respected principal sir, Mr. Ganesh Kakade, who is captain of our ship, who not only think of our students' well-being, but for their safety, security, overall development of our children. A true team leader who supported by all means to our team for development of students. He is like a backbone of our team who stands strongly and hold upliftment of the organization. I request you to put your hands together to give him a big hand that who has put his all efforts to have immersive fire for the press. Thank you so much, sir. In a spa, we experience relaxation, calmness, and a sense of escape from our daily routine. Similarly, in our immersive spa for children, they experience soft sounds, dim lights, an unhurried agenda, and the pleasure of playing using all the senses. 85% of child's brain develop in first 6 years of child's age, and all sensory organs help in brain development, and our immersive spa will help children a lot for their sensory experience on learning. Immersive spa, where we nurture 8 senses. Yes, in the sensory spa we are having the toys that help the children to develop their 8 senses, and these sensory knowledge definitely help them in their brain development. We are very proudly announcing that indeed we are the only first pre-primary school to have immersive spa for our children. You can avail it from next academic year. Admissions are open for 2025 and 26. So hurry up and inform your friends also to confirm your child's seat in a very wonderful and happy learning journey with Jumbo. We are having an expert team of teachers who are always doing very hard work to make this journey memorable and enjoyable. All our teachers are ECCET classified and trained every year to update themselves with new teaching skills. Under Podar Institute of Education, we are offering 1-year diploma course ECCET, that is Early Childhood Care, Education and Administration. This is equivalent to Montessori course and that equipped our learners with all the necessary skills to become a successful teacher and as an educator also. Along with this, we are offering so many online courses. Please contact us for more details. So, as parents play a pivotal role in this journey, and we are elated to showcase the incredible progress and talent skills of our children today. So without further ado, let's celebrate the wonders of learning and growth and the holistic development of our kindergarten stars. And I assure you that they are going to convert this beautiful evening into a dhamal entertainment. So once again, a very warm welcome to each one present here, and relax and keep your mobile phones and let your pockets take care of it. Live performance will not happen again. You can see the recordings afterwards. So enjoy the evening, and I wish all the best to my all dear Jumbotees and all my team. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now, I would like to request our today's honorable chief guest, Dr. Anurag Pangrikar sir, to say a few words. Please, sir.
पोद्दार इंटरनॅशनल स्कूलचे प्रिन्सिपल काकडे सर, VP वर्षा मॅम, जम्बो किड्सचे प्रिन्सिपल रेणुका मॅम, चिंचोलकर मॅडम, डिअर पॅरेंट्स. प्रेपच्या मुलांना जास्त वेळ थांबवता येत नाही, त्यांचं पेशन्स खूप कमी असतो, म्हणून फक्त 2च मिनिट बोलतो. हे सगळं पाहताना जी प्रेपची कन्सेप्ट चेंज होतीये ती तुमच्या लक्षात आली असेल. एक काळ असा होता की मुलांनी शाळेत जायची तयारी करावी, आई वडिलांपासून सेपरेशन ॲक्सेप्ट करावं, घरी खात नाही म्हणून तिथे जाऊन खावं, घरी त्रास देतो आईला झोपू देत नाही म्हणून शाळेत पाठवावं, अशा कन्सेप्टमधून निघून या प्रिपरेटरी स्कूल सायंटिफिक बेस घेऊन मुलांना शिक्षण देत आहेत. कारण मुलांच्या ब्रेनची 85% वाढ ही पहिल्या 6 वर्षात होते. त्यामुळे या 6 वर्षांमध्ये तुमचा मुलगा जे करेल त्याच्यावर त्याचं भविष्य ठरतं, आणि हे भविष्य हँडल करण्यासाठी सगळ्या सायंटिफिक वेज पोद्दार वापरत आहे. त्याबद्दल मी पोद्दारचं कौतुक करतो. काय होतं की बऱ्याच पालकांना असं वाटतं की माझ्या मुलांनी शाळेत गेलं म्हणजे ABCD झेडपर्यंत लिहिलं पाहिजे, 1 2 3 4 लिहिलं पाहिजे, 1 2 3 4 लिहिलं पाहिजे, 1+1 किती पटकन करतो. बऱ्याचदा पालक माझ्याकडे OPD मध्ये आल्यावर सांगतात की सर, हा अजून शाळेत जायचं आहे पण याला A to Z म्हणता येतं, याला 1 to 10 म्हणता येतं. तर जर एखाद्या मुलाने 3 वर्षाला A to Z लिहिता आलं आणि एखाद्या मुलाला 7 वर्षाला लिहिता आलं, तर 10वीला यांच्या मार्कांमध्ये काही फरक पडतो का? असं काही अभ्यास आहे का? तर काय शिकलं पाहिजे मुलाने? मुलाने लहानपणी पेशन्स शिकला पाहिजे. म्हणजे काय? 10 मुलांना घसरगुंडीवर चढायचंय उतरायचंय, तर मी या लाईनमध्ये पाठीमागे उभा राहून या लाईननी पुढे जाऊन मग घसरगुंडीवर खेळलो पाहिजे. मी यांना ढकलून जाऊन मीच पहिला असं नाही वागलं पाहिजे, हे शिकवलं पाहिजे. ह्या गोष्टी मुलं शाळेत शिकतात, या ग्रुप ॲक्टिव्हिटीजमध्ये शिकतात. अन्यथा काय होतं, आत्ता आपण तो एक IITN बाबा कुंभमेळ्यामध्ये पाहिला. म्हणजे या मुलांनी IIT मध्ये 700 स्कोअर घेऊन IIT ला गेला, पण काय झालं, त्याला कुठेच आनंद मिळाला नाही. त्याला पेशन्स नाहीये. तो हा जॉब करतोय, यात आनंद मिळत नाही, तो जॉब करतोय, त्यात आनंद मिळत नाही, तो जॉब करतोय. आणि हे सगळं सांगताना त्याच्या मुलाखतीमधला एक भाग जो माझ्या मनाला टच केला तो होता, मेरे घर में बहुत शोर रहता था. यस, दॅट इज द थिंग. तुमच्या मुलाला तुमच्या घरामध्ये प्रेम आणि शांतता मिळाली पाहिजे. तुमचे इंटरपर्सनल रिलेशन्स घरामध्ये इतके छान पाहिजेत की त्या मुलाला घरामध्ये सिक्युअर वाटलं पाहिजे. म्हणजे तुमचा मुलगा फक्त हुशार येऊन, पहिला येऊन, जास्त मार्क मिळून उपयोगाचा आहे का? नाही. त्याला त्याबरोबरच बाकीच्यांशी कसं कम्युनिकेट करायचं, पेशन्सली आपल्या टर्नचा वाट कशी पाहायची, सगळ्यांना मिळून मिसळून कसं राहायचं, आपल्याबरोबर समाजाला घेऊन पुढे कसं जायचं, हे जर तुमचा मुलगा त्याच्या अभ्यासाबरोबर शिकला तरच तो त्या आयुष्यामध्ये यशस्वी होईल. आणि मला कौतुकाने सांगा वाटेल की आम्ही जेव्हा आलो तेव्हा 4 मुली आम्हाला रिसीव्ह करायला होत्या. कुणाच्याही चेहऱ्यावर भीती नव्हती, आनंदाने रिसीव्ह केलं. त्यांनी स्वतःचे इंट्रोडक्शन सांगितलं, वेलकम टू अवर प्रोग्राम असं सांगितलं. किंवा आता प्राईज घ्यायला आलेले मुलं सगळे कम्फर्टेबल होते, कोणी घाबरत नव्हतं. तर आपल्या मुलांच्या या पर्सनॅलिटी अशाच डेव्हलप होत गेल्या पाहिजेत. आपल्या मुलांना घरातून छान वातावरण द्या. या शाळेमध्ये वातावरण छान मिळतंच आहे. असं करून आपण आपली मुलं हुशार बरोबर समाजाच्या उपयोगी पडणारे हुशार मुलं करूया. आपल्या देशाला आणि जगाला पुढे नेऊया. इतक्यातच थांबतो. मला इथे बोलवलं, खरंच धन्यवाद.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable guidance. Now, I would like to request our honorable, respected principal, sir, to say a few words. Without our respected principal, sir, any event would not be possible. So, please, sir, say a few words.
Good evening. Today's chief guest, Dr. Anurag Pangrikar sir, guest of honor, Chintolkar madam, vice principal ma'am, HM ma'am, AO sir, all the parents and beloved students. Actually, just now, Dr. sir shared his thoughts, and if we think on that, a word and word is true. And in the beginning only he told, okay, he is not going to take much time, as the students are eager to show their performance and you all are eager to watch their performance. If I am taking time, then it will be boring for you all. But it is my duty to appreciate all the efforts of my tiny tots of prep section. Really, last full month they are taking that much efforts, doing practice, and yes, today they are going to showcase their talent. So I request you, before they start, please give a big round of applause to them. And as madam said, please keep your mobile in your pocket only. आपका मोबाइल जेब में रखिए, आंखों से देखिए, दिल में समाइए और यादों का संजोइए. रिकॉर्डिंग मिल जाएगी आपको, लेकिन ये पल वापस नहीं आएंगे. तो अपने बच्चे का प्रोग्राम दिल से एंजॉय करिए. And I really appreciate HM ma'am and her team. They had taken lots of efforts to make this show, and today we are going to witness this. Without investing much time to make you listen me, I'll just ask to begin the show. Thank you, and have a wonderful evening ahead.
Thank you, sir, for your supportive and valuable guidance. Thank you so much, sir. आज का अवसर बड़ा निराला है. आज का अवसर बड़ा निराला है. आज यहाँ पर नूर बरसने वाला है. आज यहाँ पर नूर बरसने वाला है. एक बार जोरदार तालियां बजा दीजिए, कार्यक्रम अब शुरू होने वाला है। एक बार जोरदार तालियां बजा दीजिए, कार्यक्रम अब शुरू होने वाला है। So get ready to embark on this fantastic journey with Jumbo and discover the wonders of Kala और कथा का संगम. Let's see Jumbo's journey along with his friends Maya and Rohan. Calling upon the stage, Scene 1 students and the participants are Riyash Pawar, Avika Joshi, Akshara Kare, Mahira Sheikh.
Colors, little hands in sync. Together we will walk step by step in blink. Every state has a story to share with joy and love. We will bring it with care. कहानी और कला hand in hand with Jumbo. We are on a joyful land from every corner of India. Stories bring the magic of art in everything. Each state of India has a different story and art form to offer, each one a treasure. When art and story softly intertwine, India's soul begins to shine. India art and story blend, a journey that will never end. Art makes story came alive. Witnessing this concert will only make your hearts fill with pride.
कहानी और कला hand in hand with Jumbo. We are on a joyful land. From every state, the tales unite. In our hearts, the art shines bright.
Wow, what a splendid start to our annual concert. Let's give our children a big round of applause for this beautiful introduction to the annual concert theme. Thank you for welcoming us all with such warmth and enthusiasm. Calling upon the stage the next group of Scene 2 and the participants are Akshay Andhare, Anushka Kare, Avni Arbe, Malhar Band, Ayush Sakpute, Mohammad Hamad, Mahvesh Sheikh, Swara Katruwar, Ananya Katruwar, Dhruvi Patil. Now, here Jumbo, Rohan and Maya arrive in the bustling streets of Lucknow. Looking at the colorful market area, they stop at a stall displaying Dastangoy paintings. Let us see what will happen.
This is Dastangoy art from Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. It shows stories about honesty, kindness and courage, teaching important life lessons. Dastangoy, originally from Persia. Dastan means story, Goy means to tell. Look what is happening there, Jumbo. The Dastangoy artists are performing the ancient art of storytelling called Dastangoy. Let us celebrate their value of sharing and taking turns with this art coming from Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. Let's go much. Now we are going to perform the Dastangoi on Gandhiji, our first president of Buddha Education Network. एक था बच्चा नाम था मोहन, खेलने में था वो बहुत ही चौकस, जिससे था वो बहुत ही प्यारा, गांधी जी को सब कहते प्यारा। बड़े हुए मोहन, बड़े महात्मा, सच्चा बनाई सती थी उनकी महात्मा। गांधी जी ने सिखा सबको प्यार, सच और हिम्मत से करो सब संसार। देश हमारा था पराधीन, गांधी जी ने कहा हम हो गए स्वाधीन, बिना हथियार बिना जंग, प्रेम और हिंसा थी उनकी संग। शॉर्ट मार्च के गाने गांधी जी की थी एक निशानी, समुद्र चले बड़े हनुमान, नमक बना अपने हाथों से निशान। उन्होंने कहा सच बोलना हमारा धर्म, अहिंसा से जीतना हमारा कर्म। लोगों ने माना उनका कहना, प्रेम और शांति से सबको जीतना। गांधी जी का सपना हुआ पूरा, देश हमारा हुआ स्वतंत्र। हर दिन में बच गई उनकी बात, अहिंसा सच्चाई से मिलती है राह।
Wow, what an enthralling performance done by our children. Give them a big round of applause. Moving ahead now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to immerse ourselves in the divine love and joy of Krishna's Ras Leela. Here, I remember the shlok of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत, यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत, अभ्युत्थानं धर्मस्य तदात्मनं सृजाम्यहम्, तदात्मनं सृजाम्यहम्, परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां, परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां, धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे, संभवामि युगे युगे। इस श्लोक का अर्थ है धर्मात्माओं की रक्षा करने के लिए, दुष्टों का विनाश करने के लिए और धर्म की पुनः स्थापना करने के लिए मैं अपने रूप को रचता हूँ, यानी साकार रूप में लोगों के सामने प्रकट होता हूँ। This song, it represents culture of Uttar Pradesh. So let's enjoy the Ras Leela of Bhagwan Shri Krishna. मथुरा और वृंदावन से भगवान श्री कृष्ण के लीलाओं की झांकी। एंड द पार्टिसिपेंट्स आर अक्षरा काळे, अर्णव सावंत, अनन्या क्षीरसागर, अविका जोशी, अभिध्या चव्हाण, दक्ष बड़े, देवांश बेदरे, रुद्राक्ष धीरे, रिधान खिवसरा, परीक्षित चौधर, प्रसन्न मिसाळ, राजवर्धन काजळे, शौर्य राऊत, सायरा दास, अद्वैत घरत, सर्वेश शहारे। moving ahead. Now, Jumbo, Maya and Rohan came to the fields of Punjab. Scene 3 and the participants are Srinidhi Pathak, Viraj Kadam, Samarth Darade.
Jumbo, Maya and Rohan left the hills of Himachal and came to the fields of Punjab. There they see a vibrantly colored design made on the wall outside a home. Let us see what art from it is.
Wow, what a lovely creation! Such a beautiful design made on the wall. This is Chok Purana, a registered Indian art from Punjab. It is designed created on the walls, homes, floor. It is vibrant colors and powder similar to rangoli. This art from done to celebrate festivals and important life celebration.
Let us celebrate the value of taking responsibility with this art from Punjab.
This is what our children did in the classrooms at Podar Prep. The activities related to Chowk Purana. This art from Punjab. So, let's begin our journey with Punjab song devoted to love for nature. Look deep in nature and then you will understand everything better. It is like journey of heaven. We dance for laughter. We dance for tears. We dance for madness. We dance for fears. We dance for hopes. We dance for screams. We are the dancers. We create the dreams. So, put your hands together to welcome our senior KG children on the stage. And the participants are Adarsh Tandore, Ajit Singh Thakur, Ayash Wagmare, Shivansh Radkar, Jigar Lodha, Riyash Pawar, Gauri Shinde, Riyash Gaikwad, Zubi Sheikh, Mahira Sheikh, Srinidhi Jadhav, Divyash Kasbe, Advika Deshmane, Anvi Pawar. So be ready for Balle Balle.
सोनिया दे रंग देख लो सोनिया दे रंग सोनिया दे रंग देख लो
Wow, wow, gee, wow. What an excellent performance it was. Give them a big round of applause. 6 religion, 29 states, 1,618 languages, 6,400 castes, 28 main festivals, and one and only country of India. તમારું નામ શું છે? તમે શું કરો છો? તમે ક્યાં રહો છો? Yes, let's begin our journey in Gujarat with Jumbo. Let's welcome scene 4 participants. Saira Das, Mahira Sheikh, Jigar Lodha.
Jumbo, Maya and Rohan's journey now takes them to the colorful land of Gujarat. Jumbo and friends reach a village of Wild Drive where they see wall painted with some kind of unique art from that tell stories. Have you guessed it already? Well, let's hear our children talk about this art.
I can see horses in these paintings made on the wall.
Yes, and these painted hearts have a full life, vibrant colors and intricate patterns. Yes, Pitora art has these beautiful paintings of human figures, animals and nature made from natural lights. Their paintings tell stories of love for nature, celebrations of events, relationships and so much more.
Let us celebrate the value of learning to share this art from Gujarat.
This is what our children did in the classroom at Podar Prep related to Pithora art from Gujarat. Now, let's welcome our little tiny tots of nursery class on the stage. And the participants are Survi Gore, Sumaya Sheikh, Avni Survase, Yogveer Kadam, Raj Garad, Ketan Kadhe, Manmit Murme, Ayansh Naik, Krishiv Alwane, Sanvi Deshmane, Parikshit Pakhre, Kaivalya Kadam, Viha Hatsgude, Grishma Munde, Sharvil Golhar, Prisha Golhar, Aradhya Aute, Sharvil Kshirsagar. वाह रे वाह, बड़ा वाला कोणी प्रदर्शन ने तो मन बाहुली दीधू. Now the arts come from Apla Maharashtra. So let's welcome the next group of scene Chitrakathi. And the participants are Zunaira Sheikh, Vian Gadhe, Neil Patil.
Jumbo, Rohan and Maya arrived in a small village in rural Maharashtra, known for its traditional homes and scenic landscapes. There, they saw a few villagers sitting on mats, watching some artists performing under the tree. The artists, through their art form and storytelling, kept the audience captivated, adding to the charm of the rural setting.
ही माय भूमी जन्मभूमी कर्मभूमी अमुची महावंदनीय अति प्राणप्रिय ही माय मराठी अमुची ही माय भूमी.
What a beautiful story, art from and storytelling style. It's a Chitrakathi art. It's a traditional art form and its stories are told musical storytelling technique. The art comes from Apla Maharashtra. The Chitra means picture and Kathi means story. I see Chitrakathi art is painted on scrolls or pictures to narrate stories. Let us celebrate the value of knowing the importance of the following a routine from day to night with this art form from Maharashtra.
This is what our children did in the classrooms related to Chitrakathi art, which is from Maharashtra. Moving ahead, मराठीच्या महाराष्ट्र आज स्वागत स्वागत. मराठीच्या महाराष्ट्र आज स्वागत स्वागत. सह्याद्रीच्या कड्यावरी वाजे वाऱ्याचे नौबत. सह्याद्रीच्या कड्यावरी वाजे वाऱ्याचे नौबत. भारताची शान तो महाराष्ट्र माझा. भारताची शान तो महाराष्ट्र माझा. निसर्ग सौंदर्याची खान तो महाराष्ट्र माझा. मुंबई ज्याची जान तो महाराष्ट्र माझा. मुंबई ज्याची जान तो महाराष्ट्र माझा. पंचगंगा जिथे वाहते तो महाराष्ट्र माझा. शिवरायांची कर्मभूमी तो महाराष्ट्र माझा. संतांची पुण्यभूमी तो महाराष्ट्र माझा. संस्कृतीशी नाळ जोडतो तो महाराष्ट्र माझा, संस्कृतीशी नाळ जोडतो तो महाराष्ट्र माझा, पराक्रमाचा इतिहास ज्याला तो महाराष्ट्र माझा, आधुनिक